Go on, Buster here, Venture Biker, and there you go. Lads, new bikes. Old big jock there. That's the Bull, Ondy, Stevie's V-Strom.
Hell yeah.
Just keep going.
Big hole there. Big hole there, mate. Hey, not a good one.
Not a hairy one.
It's never soaked this before.
At least one of you was wet.
Fire one.
Just stay with your ball, just concentrate on what you're doing.
On these kind of roads I don't use my mirrors. What do you mean these kind of roads? Well, fair point. All clear. More coming through, mate. Ah, he's fucking way past now, why?
Well, we've just passed the multiverse. Did you see it?
Ah, Thanos Center.
We just passed the fucking multiverse. That's how fucking
Nice.
far out we are. I think there's a fucking TV junction down here, if I remember right.
Maybe you're...
You trying to stand up? You trying to stand up looking at your back window?
I was looking in the back window.
Stand up waving the back window.
Chat the windy, tell them milk, 2 sugars.
Careful getting through all that.
Stones. Stone paint.
Fucking smell that, man.
Indicator still on, Stevie.
Arsenal.
Right. Just take your time coming through here.
Where the fuck is this taking us?
Alan's sexual class.
This
I
is
don't like it, right? I don't like it on anyone's.
this is the sort of thing I was trying to say to you about Kalimoto. This is what it does. It takes you down roads that you probably wouldn't even thought you could do.
So it's not just the same as Google Maps trying to take me to a job.
That's just because you can't fucking... 3 bikers behind me. There's 3 bikers behind me. Right. Cheers, buddy. Just go by them, nice and slowly.
Yep. Cheers, bud. Cheers, mate.
Guy with a red tracksuit on.
Heavy team.
Elvis has left the building.
Welcome to Buster, ATV biker, your go-to channel for thrilling motorcycle and taco adventures, epic off-road journeys, intense for life on two wheels. Whether it's tackling rugged trails, scenic rides across stunning landscapes, or sharing the gear and insights to fuel your passion for adventure, we've got you covered. Hit the road with Buster, ATV biker. Let's chase the horizon together.
Keep me rolling, doo-doo. Right, the big fucking... Stay off his tanks. A couple of big... couple of big potholes there as well.
That big fucking bumpers flew by me. The big fucking hockey hat right across in front of me.
Hawkeye.
A big hockey thing? Is that? Never heard of that breed before.
Oh. Yeah.
Everybody alright?
Yes, sir.
Keep on rolling. Fuck me, can't see a fucking thing. Right, you're following the road round to the left.
Yep. Uh-huh.
Had to put my arm up
I
down.
hope that's fucking rain.
Oh, I had my wing out, I was pissing out my clothes a minute ago. How would you think it is? Does it taste lemony? Keep it rolling.
These cunts in here doing a tap putting tar on the fucking roads.
Hey, what's the point of having 50-50 tyres if you're not going to use them?
I don't go 50-50 tyres, but
I have, but... Do be careful get up there that bridge. Take your time, lads, take your time. I think we'll stop for a wee fucking doofer break, eh? Shortly.
oh, big pothole here.
Yeah. On the inside.
I'm sick of fucking advising you in the situation because none of these fucking listen and hits it anyway. I think we're near fucking, what do you call it? Darkwing Castle. I think. Careful, there's a motor coming, so don't be on the other side of the road.
Yep.
I think we're near Darkwing Castle, do you know that?
What's it? It's what castle?
I think it's called Darkwing Castle, it's called. I think, I'm not too sure. If there is, I'm going to go a wee bit of illegal off-roading. I might get a picture of my bike with it. No, in fact, I think we're actually on the other side of the fucking lock for it. Keep it rolling. I think it's called Darkwing, I think it's called. Darkwing Castle or something it's called. Ain't too sure, like. I think it's near that Tyrone. Let me know when you can see me.
I can see you.
What can you? I think it is. I love adventure bike riding.